guys, once again welcome to the Ryde channel. On the Ryde channel, you know it's only about cars and bikes, and this particular episode is people and rides. And with people and rides, I go out and talk to people who have cars and bikes that they really love, and we have a chat about their cars, about their bikes, and why they love them. Today I have one such person here with me. Ibrahim, you are welcome once again to the Ryde channel. Ibrahim is not new to the Ryde channel. We've been doing stuff together for a while, and today we're going to have a chat about this car. We'll introduce the car very soon, but we'll just take a ride, and as we go on the ride we will talk some more. Ibrahim, let's go. All right, so Ibrahim, tell us about yourself.
So my name is Ibrahim, and I'm into flexible plastics.
Flexible plastics?
Yes, pure water bags, shopping bags.
Shopping bags,
yes,
okay,
yes,
all right.
Recycling.
And how is the business doing?
Now it's tough.
It's tough?
Yes, unlike
Before,
yes.
Is it because of the COVID?
COVID played a major, big role in it.
Oh, okay.
But aside that, we have other challenges. It's not just my business, but I know it's everyone else,
Everyone else in that space.
Exactly.
Okay, all right. We are hoping that things will pick up very soon. Now that we are sort of getting a handle on COVID, I'm sure very soon things will pick up. And
Definitely.
Good. Yeah. All right. So you've been into cars for a while. Tell us about your childhood and cars, growing up in cars.
Well, my father was actually a car person.
Okay.
Yeah, when I was young, he had this. Was it Datsun?
Okay.
Datsun. He had the Mazda with the eyes that goes up and down.
Oh, okay. So, Miata.
yes. So when growing up, I was seeing all these, and I just fell in love.
All right.
So it's more like a family
thing.
Yeah.
Good.
But now my father has cooled down, and now it's my turn.
Now it's your turn.
Yeah, I've taken over.
All right. Yeah. So now I know you've had several cars.
Yes.
But okay. So tell us about the ones that like you put in your sports cars.
Okay. Back in 2012. That's a Nissan 370Z.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I had that for about I think a year. Yeah, about a year.
Yeah.
The next upgrade was an M3.
Okay.
E92. Back in 2013.
Okay.
Yeah, I had that. That car was, something else.
That's a car that actually sowed the seed
yes, exactly.
for fast cars.
Yes, an M3 E92 actually aspirated. Man, I fell in love with that car.
Wow.
That car was just something else. And then after was the C63 engine.
Okay.
I shifted a bit on the engine just to see how it feels like. It was just like an M. The M cars are very stable.
Yeah.
Very fast, very loud. Car guy.
Okay.
And after that was the CLS.
Okay.
After the C63 was the CLS 63 engine. That was in 2016.
Okay.
Yeah. And after that was this car.
So tell us a bit about this car.
Okay.
What car is this?
Well, this is a 2016 M5 Competition.
Yeah.
F10.
F10.
Yeah. Stock comes up, approximately I think about 575 horsepower.
Oh, okay.
And I'm not sure of the torque. I'm not too sure, but now it's tuned.
Okay.
Not too aggressive.
Right.
It's a stage 2.
It's a stage 2?
Yeah.
From which?
Boot mode.
Boot mode.
I have 2 tunes.
Okay.
Boot mode. That's like my daily use.
Oh, okay.
That's about 700 horsepower.
All right.
And I have Evolve. That's about 750 to 800 horsepower.
Oh, okay.
That's a custom tune.
Okay.
Yeah. And that's when we have races like the drag race and the airstrip. That's when I put that.
You put that more. That's a race tune.
That's a race tune.
Okay.
Exactly.
All right. Now, this afternoon when I was coming up to meet you, I met one of our friends and we were having a chat, and he was like, if you are tuning your car in Ghana, you have to let them know what kind of fuel we have.
Yes, exactly.
Because that affects. With the tunes that you have, did you factor in the quality of the fuel?
Definitely, yes. So I tuned on both tunes. It was 93 octane.
93 octane.
Yes, and that's what we have in Ghana.
All right.
On the OTS.
Okay.
But then on the custom tune is tuned on a 98.
Okay. 98.
So with that one, like I said, it's not daily use. I don't use that tune every day. It's just on special occasions.
All right.
That's when I have to use the octane booster.
Okay.
You know, to increase the octane. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's just a regular stage 2.
Okay.
Downpipes, ECU remap, and my plugs, race back plugs.
Race back plug. Okay.
Nothing.
But the last time we went to the drag strip, I've been with you to a drag strip before.
Yeah.
That's an air strip that we use as a drag strip.
Yeah.
And I realized that your car was pulling really, 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 really well.
Yes.
I actually thought you had some race fuel or something.
No. So like I said, it's a custom. The custom tune. Yeah. So I can't use it every day. I mean, once I use it all the time, I'll need an methanol injection.
Yeah.
My temperature rises up a bit.
And you have
That's
to
when
upgrade all those things.
Yes, I have to do all of those things. Even my what's it called? Fuel pump has to be upgraded. Yes, so I don't want something too extreme.
Okay.
And I'm a guy that I don't want problems. Like I just hate when my car throws a check engine light.
Yeah.
So I prefer I get power, but not extreme, so I don't have issues.
Yeah.
I don't get problems.
I mean, car guys, we like to drive our cars.
Yes, exactly. So I don't.
When the car is sick, we are also sick.
me, I fall sick immediately.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I go for a safe tune.
All right.
I don't want extreme. I mean, you can upgrade your turbos. You can have a methanol injection. You can have bigger fuel pumps. You can do all of these upgrades, even intercooler. But you push immense power. But in terms of reliability,
you're going to reduce the reliability
of the car. You can use it for 2 years without a problem, but it goes like with me, I just like my car to be,
very reliable.
Yeah, very reliable.
Okay. I mean, I a lot of times I watch a lot of YouTube, and a lot of car YouTube and car TikTok, and a lot of times people say BMWs are not reliable. BMW, you have had several BMWs.
Yeah.
What do you say to those who say BMWs are not reliable?
We go back to, tuning. It all goes back to your tuner.
Yeah.
If you overtune any car, it will definitely give you problems.
Okay.
So, when you compare like stock cars, I've had the CLS, my AMGs, the M's. In terms of reliability, BMs number one.
Okay, because you have experienced both
AMGs
both,
the AMGs and then the M's. In terms of reliabilities,
with tuning,
with tuning,
with mild tuning,
with mild tuning. My CLS was also tuned not too aggressively. I had a lot of issues. My C63 also had issues. But with this one, I've never had any. I've had a year now. I've had a car for a year, I think. 13 months, and I've never had any issue.
Okay, all right. Now, what has been your worst car moment?
Okay, my worst car moment was my CLS.
Okay.
Yeah, I blew it. I blew an engine. When I bought a brand new engine. Like I said, it was the tune. So the tune wasn't good.
Oh, okay.
For the car, I had to build my engine because the tune was so aggressive that I needed to build my engine.
Okay.
So the tuners even advised me, like, look, you know what? After a short while, you have to actually build your engine, because that car was pushing up around 750 also. But on an AMG, it's different, like an M, compared to an M. In terms of you put a 750 horsepower AMG, you put a 750 horsepower, CLS, and an M5.
Yeah.
An M5 will definitely dominate.
Okay.
And also, in terms of reliability, like we go back to square one. The M's are, to me, in my experience, M's are much more reliable. I'm not talking of standard BMs or Mercedes. I'm talking of AMGs compared to
BMW M-Power.
M-Power, exactly. M-Power.
Okay.
Reliability, with my experience, everyone have their own experience. With my own experience, I say the BMW M's are much more reliable.
Carries the day for you.
Yes.
All right.
But like I said also earlier, if you tune it too much, you overtune,
of course,
you'll get problems.
So, Ibrahim, you are telling me earlier that you have certain people of note who help you support this addiction that you have with technical support. Yes, you mentioned some. You were mentioning something.
Yeah, Ash Motors. I recommend anyone who has any sports cars, regular cars. Yeah, you should check his page out on Instagram. You know, his workshop also is on, I think, Achashalibuchi.
Yeah,
he does everything for me. My tunes, my services.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay. Ash Motors is a friend of the channel.
Yeah.
I think the last time we came to the airstrip attack, we had a chat, and very soon I'm going to be bringing him to the Ryde channel. So guys, watch out. And like Ibrahim mentioned, if you have a BMW, a Mercedes, any car that you really treasure that car, he's one of the guys around who has all the knowledge and can support you and make sure that your car is always on the road and you can enjoy it. But let's talk about your best car moment. That day that you took a ride and you were like, wow, yeah, this counts to be one of the best days in my life.
Yeah, that was a CLS.
It was a CLS.
Yeah, that was a CLS. when the car, arrived in Ghana, I was in the country, so once I got down, I sat in the car. It was different from the C63, but it was more luxurious. Interior was Designo interior, white interior, and whole roof open. I mean, that car, so when I just sat in the car, I drove, it was different. The C60 is more like a young guy who wants to go and then, drive crazy. But with the CLS, it's more like executive. And also with power.
Okay.
So it's the two combined. So I can say that's my actually best moment.
Okay, all right. So what are you looking forward to? What car are you looking to own next?
An M.
An M.
Yeah, all day.
Which M are you hoping to get?
An M5.
An M5
yeah,
and M8.
M5.
That's the new M5.
Yeah. So and the new M5 or the M8.
Oh, okay.
But like now, as we're talking, I'm looking at the new M5.
Okay. Let me upgrade my question. Okay. So if you have all the money in the world, you have all the connections, you have all your supply chain, everything dialed down.
Yeah.
What car? Okay, I'll give you three.
So,
what
so
three cars will I see?
Dream car.
Yes.
Of your dream car.
What three cars will I see in your stable?
No, that's a nice one. That's a very good question. Well, I'll go first of all is the Koenigsegg Agera.
Okay.
That's my favorite car. Like, that's the first car.
That's your ticker.
Yes. The Koenigsegg, the Chiron.
Okay.
The Bugatti
Yeah,
Chiron.
the Bugatti Chiron.
And then I'll have an E30,
BMW. Okay.
E30. Built a V10 engine.
What?
Natural aspirated, pushing up
E30 with a V10.
With a V10.
Yeah, I'm just. Immediately you mentioned V10, I'm just imagining the way the car is going to wail.
It's going to be mad.
I think I've seen something like that
on YouTube.
On YouTube, yes.
Yeah,
some Russian guy.
Yes, the Russians are crazy.
They're crazy.
It beats
they will build anything that comes to their mind.
Yeah, anything. So just three cars, E30.
The Chiron.
Yeah, the Chiron and then the Koenigsegg.
But I didn't ask a particular question.
Okay.
What is it about this car that you love so much?
It's very reliable. I mean, it's executive. It has all the power. Reliable. It's very reliable. It looks good. Everything. I mean, it has everything combined.
Yeah.
Heated seats.
All the bells and whistles are there.
Everything. And then I don't know if I should put it this way. It's a sleeper. You see me on the road.
Yeah,
you really see like too aggressive.
Yeah.
Like AMGs,
no wings, no
nothing, and then
excessive.
you run and then you're like, oh, okay.
Yeah.
This car is actually very fast.
Thank you so much, Ibrahim.
Thank you.
Yes, I hope that when the Koenigsegg and the Chiron and the E30 with the V10 land in your house, we'll come and shoot another video and
work hard,
it will happen.
Very hard.
All right, thank you so much, guys. It's been me, Adipoku, with Ibrahim, talking about cars as usual, and I just want to encourage you. All this content we are bringing to you is for you, so make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the Ryde channel. Bye for now.
Did you see that? Ibrahim, did you see that? That girl, the car bend the tire. Ibrahim, your car, Charlie, with a beast. What did you do there?